You can use Power Query to trim extra spaces. Column A has names written with some extra spaces. A2 contains a name written correctly without extra spaces. All other cells have extra spaces between the first and last names. These cells have spaces before and after the names known as leading and trailing spaces. Column B contains the len function, which counts the number of characters of the names in column A. Copy the range of cells from which you want to remove extra spaces into an empty column. Select the copied data and go to the Data tab. Press the From Table Range command. This will turn our data into an Excel table if it's not already formatted as one. Make sure the data range selected is correct and adjust it if needed. If you have column headings, check My Table has headers. Click on OK. Power Query Editor opens. Right-click on the column heading and select Transform and click on Trim. This removes the leading and trailing spaces but not the extra spaces between the words. We need to implement a couple of replace values transformation to remove them. Right-click on the column and select Replace Values from the menu. In Value to Find, enter two spaces, enter single space in Replace With. Click on OK to add this transformation. Repeat this step until all the extra spaces have been removed from the data. To get the trimmed data back into Excel, close and load the data. In the Home tab, in the Power Query Editor, click on Close and Load and select Close and Load To and choose a table and select the location to load the table. You cannot load to the same location. Select a new location. All the values have been trimmed and loaded as a table. Now copy the trimmed values and paste them over the original values. The extra spaces have been removed. Now delete the table columns. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.